Hey guys, what's up? A video, an unboxing or a shopping haul. I think this is the first unboxing I'm doing. No, actually I've done an unboxing video in Vietnam, but that was in Ho Chi Minh City. And that was back in 2019 if I remember correct. It was the Air Max 1. But this time I'm doing a video of my shopping in Taiwan, but I'm only getting the chance to shoot it now in Hanoi. So another city in Vietnam. It's quite gloomy right now. It's pouring heavily, so I'm indoors. It's 11 in the morning. You can see it's not as bright outside, and which is why I also have this light on for this video. Without much further ado, let's go through the things. And although this is about the Veneer dunk, I also have a few other things that I want to take you guys through. For example, this kit. It's quite an interesting kit. It's from a company in Taiwan called BitPlay. So I got my phone case for my 15 Pro, and it comes with this magnetic thing which holds your card and also has a stand. I think it's quite cool, although I'm really scared quite often that it will fall off. It's been quite secure. I've been traveling with this for about 2 or 3 days, and then obviously I have the sling so I can just wear it around my shoulders. I know it's nothing new or groundbreaking or heartbreaking, but it does the job. It's nice. I just thought I'll show you this little insignificant but an important pickup. I also did stop by the Songshan Cultural Center when I was in Taipei, and they had a flea market going on over there. Excuse my voice, I'm really down and out with a cough. And I think it's called HUF Studios. Yeah, HUF Studios. And they have a few interesting things. I picked up this crushed, obviously, an overshirt. And since everything is so humid out here in Taiwan, I got myself a tank. It's nothing heartbreaking, but what I really like is the shirt. I'm gonna try it on to show you. So yeah, this is the shirt. It's got these snap fit buttons, 2 cargo kind of pockets, and what's nice is it's got these drawstrings on the side so I can cinch the waist. It has a very tech wear or Japanese, or do I call it Korean, because I think they source their stuff from Korea. It's got this really nice fit, and you know, I didn't really plan well for the vacation. Usually I book Airbnb so that I can do my laundry and reuse my tees, but I think 8 days into the trip of my 30-day trip, it's a 1-month Asia trip, I realized I ran out of t-shirts. So I picked up a couple of Stussy t-shirts and also one from HUF. This one is by far still my most favorite Stussy tee. I love how the 8-ball design has been done into these cherries. And the second one is this pigment dyed. It's a really faded Stussy print, but all the seams are inside out on the t-shirt, like you can see. However, if I flip this over, inside out, it's got the clearer Stussy print, but that's backwards. But you see the seams are all like on a regular t-shirt, so perhaps I can wear it this way too. But you'll have your tags on the outside if I wore it that way. I have a Carhartt work in progress. Got me a belt, a canvas belt. I mean, this is the one that I already wear, but I needed to re-up. HUF, of course. It's been a while since I've bought anything from HUF, but the reason I picked this one up is because it's a Taipei special edition tee, and it's got this dragon print on the back and the address of the store with a number, so I'm really promoting them for free. And then I ended up going back to the store and picking up a couple of more tees. The first one is yet another simple 8-ball print Stussy tee, like you can see right there and there. And the last one is obviously very apt for the weather. And all of these t-shirts have been made in Honduras. This one's a Stussy logo tee, but it's got that heat wave print. And what better t-shirt to wear when you're out in a city with a massive heat wave? And given the opportunity, I also picked me up a fresh pair of AirPod Pros. And when I pull the sneaker out of the box, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you like the content, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And there you have it, the hero of this video. Let me take a sip of my coffee. My throat's really acting up. It was the last pair that they had left in the Veneer dunk, and this one is my true size US 9. You know, this was first part of the Ugly Duckling pack, which was a Japan exclusive. So they had 3 different other colorways. I think one was a plum, if I'm not mistaken, it's what it's called. And there was a ceramic. And obviously there was this one, the veneer pair. And while I have been seeing it around for quite a while, I think the first drop happened in 2001, if I remember right, the Japan exclusive. And then there was a restock in 2021. Even then I didn't get my hands on them because I think by then I had enough dunks. I had the Panda before it became the Panda and the Coast dunks. And now with the relaunch of the Cult Classics, Nike's been bringing back quite a few pairs. Like they even had the Ultraman dunks, but I'm not a fan of the silver and red colorway. So I finally managed to get a pair. I paid about 3,800 Taiwanese dollars, which is about 430 with the tax rebate, I think, yeah. So therefore it becomes about 8,000 bucks in 8,000 Indian rupees, I'm guessing. Before I end up coughing again, let's lift this paper up and get the pair out. Bam! The Nike Dunk in that veneer colorway. What this reminds me of is the Joker from Batman, but also Donatello from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Man, the first part of that movie was so good. The second one just didn't do it for me. You have a full suede upper and the suede is so soft. You have this brown overlay, this purple, this green, your outsole done all in purple, your laces in purple as well, and then you have the brown suede and a nice matching nylon tongue with your Nike swoosh label down right there. The padding is actually quite good on this tongue. I think if I remember right, even way better than you'd see on your regular dunks. In the insole, you have the same green colorway as on the sock liner, and then the Nike logo done in purple. And what really surprised me, although I've seen a lot of these suede dunks, I've never actually held a pair in my hand. This was the first time I was holding a pair in hand, and let me tell you, so soft and so buttery. This one's really something. This panel right here again is nylon, it's not suede, but everything else is in suede, and this Nike is obviously an embroidery. So that's it, a quick video. I'm gonna slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Thank you for staying all the way till the end, you guys. I appreciate you. I'll be seeing you soon on the next video. You guys stay safe and take care of yourself.